pre-emergent herbicide is one that is applied before pre-invasive annual grass seeds germinate, even before they emerge, but before they germinate. So a pre-emergent herbicide resides in the soil, and it acts mostly on the roots of the grass seedling as it tries to grow and push through the soil and as it tries to emerge. For invasive annual grasses, which mostly emerge in early fall, a pre-emergent herbicide has to be applied and incorporated into the soil, which happens through rainfall, by late summer. So when we make a pre-emergent herbicide application at the right time, we cannot yet see the invasive annual grass seedlings. So a post-emergent herbicide is applied after, post, as the name implies, they're applied after an invasive annual grass emerges from the soil. So these herbicides have activity on photosynthesizing leaves and may also have some activity on the roots, depending on the herbicide. A post-emergent herbicide will be most effective if it's applied in the fall after invasive annual grass seedlings pop through the soil and they're visible. So some post-emergent herbicides can also be effective applied early spring when annual grasses resume growth. So kind of a rule of thumb that might be helpful for you to think about is a pre-emergent herbicide needs to be applied before you ever see invasive annual grasses emerging in the fall, while a post-emergent herbicide is applied after you can see the annual grasses in the fall.